ದೀಪವ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಲು ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಮೇಲು ಕೀಳು ಭೇದ ನಿಲ್ಲಲು ಭೇದವಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಕಿಗೆ ದ್ವೇಷವಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ನೀ ತಿಳಿಯೋ ದೀಪದಿಂದ ದೀಪವ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಲು ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಲು ಭೇದವಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಕಿಗೆ ದ್ವೇಷವಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ನೀ ತಿಳಿಯೋ ದೀಪದಿಂದ ದೀಪವ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಲು
Hello, my name is Eldra Abigail Estrado. I study in grade 1B. The story of Deepavali. Once upon a time, there lived a wise and fair demon king Mahabali, who was also a devotee of Lord Vishnu. Mahabali's path extended to Patala, that is, the netherworld, also the heavens. The other gods were jealous of Mahabali. They asked Lord Vishnu for help. Lord Vishnu took the avatar of Vamana, a Brahmin dwarf, and approached Mahabali for alms. He said that he only wanted the land that he could cover in 3 steps. To which Mahabali agreed. Then Vamana began to grow in size. In his first step, he covered the sky. In the second step, he covered the netherworld. Seeing this, Mahabali realized the third step was taken, it would destroy the earth. And so, he offered his head for Lord Vishnu's last step. When Lord Vishnu placed his foot on Mahabali's head, pushed him to the netherworld. Pleased with Mahabali's kind nature, he granted him a boon. To this, Mahabali told Lord Vishnu that he wishes to visit the earth once every year. Deepavali is the day the good king Mahabali returns home. Thank you.
Deepavali, a festival that illuminates the earth as and brings abundant joy across the lands, seas and skies. A joyous occasion when the whole of India transcends into a land of myriad lamps. Deepavali, the festival of lights, has all the charm, grandeur and splendor that illuminates our minds and hearts. while also promoting the much needed peace, harmony, and brotherhood in society. It is a festival that unifies every religion, every home, and every heart.
आज की ये रात करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हूँ, तारों की बारातें हूँ,
दूरी की न बातें हो, बस मुलाकातें हो।
सबको यही देती संदेशा। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे।
हाथों में लेकर पूजा की थाली, लक्ष्मी जी की आरती उतारे।
माथे पे अपने तिलक लगाए, आज अपने भाग हम सवारे।
हमसे धन की देवी रूठे ना कभी,
डोर सुख चैन की टूटे ना कभी।
सबको यही देती संदेशा। दीदी अली घरे घरे मन खुशी से माते जी, चतुर्थी से आलो घरे दीदी अली आशे।
ये दिवाली चारे पासे बढ़ के खुशी छाई वे, रोशनी दे रंग लगे दिवाली आई। दीपावली गली गली के भी खुशी लावी रे, अजवाड़ानी चादर ओढ़ी दीपावली आई रे।
दीपावली अनेक रूपम संतोषते तन्नदे, होळी सुडाई निरतिरिकम दीपावली वंदने।
आज की ये रात करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हो, तारों की बारातें हो, दूरी की न बातें हो, बस मुलाकातें हो।
सबको यही देती संदेशा।
दीपावली fills the streets with happiness and laughter. Across the light, it bright sunlight. दीपावली is here today.
दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे।
Diwali symbolizes the spiritual victory of light, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. Diwali has a deep spiritual meaning. It essentially means the awareness of our inner light. Diwali celebrates the awakening and awareness of our inner light in us, which has the power to outshine all darkness and obstacles that come in life. Sweets! Who doesn't love them? If there is one festival which boasts of floats and loads of sweets, undoubtedly Deepavali takes the midnight. During Diwali, homes are illuminated with diyas. Rangoli adds its finest colors. Dressed in finesse, the faithful perform religious rituals. Wish you all happy Diwali. Thank you.
Dear friends, most years we often think about dispelling of darkness as a theoretical concept rather than something that is experienced and overcome. Every nation on earth is responding to the COVID-19 pandemic. Lives and livelihoods have been lost as we have witnessed the most dramatic shock in generations. Despite this, we have a common hope. Throughout 2021, despite our own fears, we have supported each other, encouraged each other, and stood with each other. We have drawn strength and inspiration from our medical professionals, teachers, cleaners, retail staff, police and defense force personnel, and so many more who have responded to the crisis with compassion and professionalism. Yes, we have seen darkness since 2 years, but the light is overcoming that darkness. There is light ahead and there is hope. Warmest greetings to everyone celebrating Diwali, the festival of lights. It's a special moment for the people of many faiths. I wish all of you a wonderful Diwali festival as a celebration of the victory of light over darkness. It is a most welcome and timely antidote to the uncertainty that surrounds us. This Deepavali, let the past not dwell on our minds, for we cannot turn back time. Let's live our lives to the fullest in the present and cherish the light and color that adds to the sparkle of our lives. Best wishes and abundant blessings to all on this joyous occasion of Diwali. Thank you.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु